how to layer your skincare products in the right order for a healthy and flawless skin. So, hello beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. If you're just seeing me for the first time, hello, I'm Anita Akoja. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this channel, we talk about everything skincare, beauty tips, and how to get a healthy and glowy skin. So if you're new here, kindly hit that subscribe button. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop your comments for me, and also share this video. And for my returning subscribers, thank you darlings for always coming back to watch my video. You guys are the best. Thank you. So one of the biggest mistakes people make in skincare is using the right products in the wrong order. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to layer your skincare products in the right order for a flawless, beautiful, glowy, and glass skin. Watch it and watch it to the end because my number 5 will shock you. Okay, the first step is to wash your face with either a bar soap. If you have a bar soap, use it to wash your face, or if you have your face wash, use it to wash your face, or you just simply use a cleanser. So you can use a cleanser or you can use wipes. Yes, sometimes I use wipes, but I still wash my face after using wipes. So why do you do this? Is to remove excess oil on your face, to wash your face, wash every oil on your face, wash every dirt, wash every makeup, every bacteria, and every sweat from your face. So that's the first step. How to do this is to gently wash your face with soap or water, running water. Use it to wash your face, or you simply get a pad and use a cleanser. Just put a little amount of your cleanser on your pad, face pad, and use it to wipe and clean off every dirt and oil. If you have a soft and tender, sensitive skin, use a mild cleanser. While if you have an oily skin, use a cleanser that helps control your oil, that helps oil control. Then if you have a dry skin, use a cleanser that is hydrated, that has moisturizing cleanser. There are some cleansers that are hydrating and are highly moisturizers. So you can use a moisturizing cleanser so that it helps lock in moisture under your skin because you have a dry skin. When you're using your cleanser or you're washing your face, do it for like 30 to 60 seconds, do it for like a minute, then wash your face properly. Then once you're done, just get a face towel. Make sure you get your specific face towel. If you're using your body towel for your face, trust me, you're using it the wrong way. Make sure you specifically get your face towel for just your face. Buy that towel for specifically just for your face. Then once you finish washing, just pat your face, pat it, dap it, and you're done for the next step. So the next step is your toner. You using your toner. So the toner helps to hydrate your skin. Toner helps to balance your skin. It helps to remove every leftover dirt. It helps to prepare your skin for the next product that you're going to apply on your skin. So, and it's lightly hydrating. So it helps to hydrate your skin and prepares your skin for the next step. How do you apply toner? If you have a cotton pad, you can just get your toner, just apply it. Just put a little amount of your toner in your cotton pad and just massage, just gently touch your face, gently pat it, gently dap it on your skin, just apply it gently. Or you can just use your palm, just simply apply, just pour a little amount on your hand, which is most preferably. It's better if you want to use a toner, it's better you just pour it on your hand. That's how I do it. Pour it on your hand, rub it a little, then just massage it, just apply it gently because it's moisturizer, so it penetrates your skin and enters your skin. It prepares your skin for the next one. Toner helps to balance your skin when you apply it. So you just gently apply it on your skin and you wait for like 1 minute, wait for 1 to 2 minutes, allow it to dry off completely before you apply the next product. Toner simply just helps you to prepare your skin for a serum, because you have to apply toner before you apply serum. So it helps your skin, it helps you prepare your skin before you apply serum. So that's what you do. So the next step, which leads me to the next step, which is applying your serum. Serum is the next step. That's number 3. Your skincare begins with your serum. So serum is made to target skin issues. So if you have skin issues, skin problems, you use your serum to target that. Let's say you have acne, you have dull skin, you have dry skin, you have dark spots, you have uneven skin tone. You need a serum for that. You don't need much amount of it. You just need like 2 to 3 drops of serum. Just drop it on your face, maybe 1 here, 2, 3. Then you use your clean hand to gently massage your serum so that it penetrates and enters your skin. You know, rub it, you apply it religiously on your skin so it smoothens, it penetrates, and goes to clear off every dark spots, every hyperpigmentation. So if you're having hyperpigmentation, you're having dark spots, you're having uneven skin tone, you're having dullness, you know, dull skin, you're having sensitive skin, you're having a dry skin, and you need something that will help, you know, moisturize your skin. You need something that will help to treat. Serum helps to treat skin issues. Skin is used for skin treatment. Yes. So if you're using serum, you're using it for specific skin problems or skin treatments. Most serums are lightweight, but they are very powerful. So all you need is just gently drop 2 to 3 drops on your face and gently massage, gently press it on your face so that it penetrates your skin. Don't rub it too hard. Yes, you don't apply serum too hard. You just simply apply it gently on your face. Don't rub it, you know, don't force it, don't rub it. Just gently massage it on your face so that it penetrates in your skin. So after applying your serum, you just simply wait for like 1 to 2 minutes before you move to the next step. Number 4, applying your moisturizer. So moisturizer is your next step. Moisturizer helps to moisturize your skin. It helps to hydrate your skin. It helps to lock in moisture. It helps to protect your skin barrier. You apply your serum before your moisturizer so that the moisturizer can help to lock in the serum that you've applied on it, so that it can hydrate, moisturize, and improve and give you a smooth and soft skin. Most people, when it gets to this stage, they skip moisturizer. So after applying their serum, they skip moisturizer because they have oily skin. They feel like they don't need moisturizer. This is a very big mistake, because if you apply your serum, you still need your moisturizer to lock in that serum for it to work effectively. So it is a big mistake, huge mistake that most people make because they have oily skin. If you're applying, make sure you follow this step by step. You follow the step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, you know, follow it step by step and do it well. You see how your skin will improve drastically when you follow this and you do it consistently. So make sure you don't miss this step. You applying your moisturizer, which is the 4th step, make sure you don't miss it. After you apply your serum, you apply your moisturizer, then you wait for like 1 minute, then you move to the next step. Every skin need moisture, and make sure you apply, like you choose the right one for your skin. Depending on your skin type, let's say you have an oily skin, look for moisturizer that is lightweight, then you can apply it on your oily skin. And if you have a dry skin, look for a moisturizer that is rich, thick moisturizer, so it helps to lock in moisture for your skin, right, on your skin. So if you have a dry skin, or if it's during a dry weather, look for moisturizer that is rich and thick, so it helps to lock in moisture on your skin. How do you apply your moisturizer? Just apply a moderate amount, get little amounts on your hand, or just dab it on your face. Then you gently massage your moisturizer on your skin so that it locks in the serum that you've applied. Step 5, which is our final step, which is the sunscreen. Sunscreen, which is most important. So out of all these steps, the most important of all is the last one, which is, like I said from the beginning of the video, the last one is what most people miss. And this last one is what most people don't know. Apply your sunscreen. Let your sunscreen be the last. Sunscreen protects. It's like a shield. You know, when you have a shield, you're going for a battle and you hold a shield. The shield protects you, protects your body, protects you from your enemy. So when they're attacking you, your shield is covering you. That's what sunscreen does. Protect your skin from discoloration, skin discoloration. It protects you from dark spots. It protects you from sun damage. It protects you from premature aging. So that's why you need your sunscreen. you cannot go to a battle without holding your shield. Just the same way, you cannot go out without your sunscreen. You need to protect your skin from the harshness of the sun, right? So sunscreen is the most important in all these steps. Step 1 to 5, there are 5 steps. Sunscreen is the most important of all these steps, all right? Just as number 1 is important, so also your number 5, this number 5 is the most important of all. How to apply? Just put a little amount of sunscreen on your palm. Make sure you massage it very well, in case it has white cast. Some leave white cast, some doesn't leave. So make sure you massage it properly, on your palm. Then you apply it on your face and your neck. Like for me, I apply on my face, my ear, my neck area. Yeah, my neck and even on my face, because sun touches here too. So I make sure I apply my sunscreen here, and I apply on my face, my neck, and my, below my neck, and also on my hand. I apply sunscreen on my hand as well. Sometimes I even apply on my feet. Anywhere I know sun is touching, I make sure I apply sunscreen on those areas. So even when there's sunlight or there's no sunlight, even when the days are cloudy, there are cloudy weathers, apply your sunscreen, because your sun is still there. Yeah, it's just that you're not seeing it, but the sun is still there. So you still need to apply every day. Like the way you brush your teeth every day is the same way you should apply your sunscreen every day, all right? Make sure you apply your sunscreen in the morning, and in the course of the day, apply your sunscreen like 2 or 3 times during the day for its, for best results. Apply it 2 or 3 times after you apply it in the morning. It's very important. Anytime you're going out, apply your sunscreen. This is a very important tip. Before you start your skincare products, before applying your skincare products, start from the lightest to the thickest. All right, so you start from the ones that are lighter to the ones that are thicker. All right, you don't start with thick products to the light products, because sunscreen is very thick, it's rich and thick. So you don't apply your sunscreen before you apply your serum. Serum is very lightweight. After washing, you apply your toner. Toner is like water, it's very light. Then after your toner, you apply your serum. Serum is a little thicker than toner. Then after your serum, you apply your moisturizer. Your moisturizer is a little thicker than serum. Then after your moisturizer, you apply your sunscreen. Your sunscreen is thicker than your moisturizer. So you get the step. So you start from the light to the thickest. We all know that sunscreens are very thick. Like when I put my sunscreen, you don't need much of it. You just need little amount of sunscreen on your palm. Then you apply it on your skin. If you're using a sunscreen, you know what I'm talking about. Sunscreens are very thick and they are heavy on the skin, because they are there to protect you. It's just like a shield. Shields are thick and they are heavy. That's the way a sunscreen is. It's thick and heavy on your skin, because what does it do? It's there to protect you. So it doesn't need to be light. It needs to be tough, thick, and heavy to do the work. If you start following the right order, you will notice that your products work better when you follow the right order. Just know which comes first in the right order. Follow it and do it consistently. You will notice that your skincare products are working better for you, because you are following the right order and you're doing it the right way. If you do it the right way, you definitely see results. Most times, it's not the product. It's not the product that's not working. It's you not following the right order, not knowing when to apply it. Maybe you're applying it wrongly. You're not applying it the right way. So you will not see the result. It will not show that like it's working, because you're not doing it well. But once you know how to do it well, even if they are not much or even if they are not expensive, but as long as you know how to apply this product and when to apply these products, the time of the day, which comes first, then you notice that these products work effectively and you begin to see results. You begin to see it working effectively. You begin to see your skin glowing, looking healthy, because you're doing it the right way. So it's not about the money. It's not how expensive the product is. It's how well you apply it and when you apply it, all right? And if you're consistent, if you're doing this, be consistent. You want it to work well, do follow the steps and do it consistently. Whatever you're doing, do it well. What is worth doing is worth doing well. If you can use your money to buy expensive product, then please just simply follow the right order and give your skin the best, right? Like, I'm here for your skin. I'm here for you guys, for your skin. I speak for your skin. So please do it well and give your skin the best of the best. For affordable skincare products, watch this playlist. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you find it helpful. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel for more skincare tips. I'm Anita Akoja. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.